I generated 20 UGC videos automatically without touching a single design tool. Just Claude using ARC ads in the background. You may have heard of ARC ads before, but this is a new generation. This is ARC ads MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and what that means is it is a way for you to bring external tools right into Claude so that you're able to do so many things right within the Claude chat box instead of having to use a bunch of different tools. You get everything you need right within Claude chat. So what this means is that we're able to create UGC ads right within Claude, having Claude do all of the research, all of the script writing, and automatically create a bunch of UGC videos for us. And on top of this, stay to the end where I'm gonna show you how you can automatically set this up. So whenever you create a new design, you automatically get all your UGC videos outputted already. So first, to get started, you are going to need an ARC ads account. I'm gonna link it in the description below so you can get started and follow along with this tutorial. But once you do, you are going to open up this settings page, which I will also link so you guys can find in the description below. And what you're gonna do is we are going to have to connect this to Claude, and we just have to do this once. But right within Claude, what you're gonna do is, whether this is using the desktop app or if you're using the app itself, what you're gonna do is go to customize, you're gonna go to connectors, and we're gonna hit add a new connector using this plus button here, and you're gonna go to add custom connector. Then you're gonna put in a name you're gonna remember this by, UGC. I'm just putting ARC ads. And then in the URL, you're going to paste this URL, which you can get from that settings page that's going to be linked in the description below. So you can just copy and paste that. And then you're going to hit add. After this, it is going to ask you to connect to your ARC ads account, in which you are just going to authorize that. And now you are connected to Claude. And you do have all these different tool permissions that you can take a look at as well, in which you can actually just approve these as you're going through the workflow, or if you want to make sure that this is all automated and runs smoothly, you can just go ahead and approve all of these by going through always allow and always allow. And that way you won't have any disruptions when you're actually working within Claude. And now that we have all of our permissions set and we've got ARC ads linked on over to Claude, now comes the fun part, creating UGC ads and doing so in an automated way. The very first step is you're gonna go to your desktop and you're gonna create two different folders. You're gonna create one called mockups and one called finished videos. And to begin, before we create too many videos, we're just gonna upload only one mockup until we're happy with our workflow. So you can go ahead and grab a picture of the t-shirt or product that you plan to sell. And you can grab this right from printify.com or wherever you get mockups or wherever you have a photo of the product that you're gonna sell. This is the one that I am uploading to my folder here. And now the next step is to go to Claude, and instead of using the chat, you're gonna switch to Cowork. And to do this, you are going to need the desktop app here. So you're gonna move on over to Cowork and you're going to go to new task. And now we're going to type in a task that gives us all the information of how to create the ads, where to grab the mockups, where to put the mockups, what type of ads we are creating. And I've spent a while trying to curate the perfect prompt for you, and this is what I've got. And don't worry guys, I'm going to paste this in the description so you can go ahead and copy and paste this to use for yourself. This prompt here gives the Cowork a role. So it's an automated UGC try on haul ad generator. This is because just when I have personally gone through ads that I think do really well for t-shirts in specific, they are usually try on hauls, how to style a t-shirt, more so than a talking UGC ad, which is usually what you'll see people do with AI ads. But for this one, we're taking this a different route. And because we're doing graphic design shirts, we're going for a try on haul ad generator. So you're an automated UGC ad generator. Each run, you check my desktop folder, mockups, for any shirt mockups, and produce 3 UGC style try on haul / how to style this videos. Then save those videos to the other folder that we created called finished videos. And then the rest is just a bunch of information to make sure that we're getting a consistent result that we can actually use in this UGC style. So for the video model, we're gonna be using the CDance 2.0. We're giving it the aspect and length here. We're giving it the creative style. We're going to make sure that we run 3 different variants that run with different A/B tests here. here. So I have two with different hooks, and one's a more silent music version. Then we have the information on how to treat the mock-up right here, which is to make sure that the videos are actually following the mock-up that we give it, and it's making sure that it's removing any models, any backgrounds, and it's just pulling this photo just to get an idea of the product that we're selling. And this is just the prompt that I've come up with that has given me the best results to get the types of UGC videos that I'm personally looking for. But using this prompt, you can go ahead and change any of the information to maybe more fit the style you're looking for. You can also use this to do research on Meta or on TikTok to actually create scripts for you if you do prefer more of the talking head videos. Personally, I don't really like the talking head videos, but they have their use cases depending on which product that you sell. But again, for these t-shirts, I have found that these try on hauls do the best. And now all you have to do is wait. This does take a little bit of time because it's generating a model for you. It's taking a look at the scripts and writing scripts for you. It's creating captions. One thing you do need to make sure you do is remember earlier I talked about turning on all your permissions. If you missed any, it might ask you to just go ahead and accept them through here. But if you've already accepted them ahead of time, you shouldn't have any issues with this all generating. And now what you can do is change the tab. Go do whatever you want. Go eat lunch, because this is going to work in the background for you and create 3 different videos for you, which you guys can change to 5 videos. You can change to 20 videos, depending on how many different angles you plan to do or want to do with one single mock-up photo. And right within Claude here, we can see the progress that this went through to get to the final videos. Crop the mock-up, generate a fresh model wearing the tee, generate a full body outfit stills for each look, animate each look in C-Dance, build a voiceover. There was also add captions. You can see when you kind of go through all the steps here. So there is a whole lot of steps happening automatically with Claude by talking to ArcAds through this MCP. So here is the actual folder that I never uploaded these. Claude did themselves, but I'm able to now find these named and they're set to review. So you can see in the file name here, we have review, and we're going to talk about changing those to approved and what you can do as next steps after. But let me show you the results.
This mama tee is the only thing I've worn all week.
Realistic this
5 ways to style it. Oversized with bike shorts, French tucked into mom jeans, tucked into a denim skirt, under a cardigan with leggings, and knotted with a midi skirt. One tee, so many looks.
So I think this looks fantastic. I did notice a slight issue where it was putting the graphic design on the back. So I probably will do a secondary prompt here, just asking them to fix that part. All you have to do is type a prompt right into Claude saying, fix the frame where the design is on the back. So all you have to do is do secondary prompts to fix any issues find with the videos. But let's watch 2 and 3 before we do that.
If you basically live in t-shirts, this mama one needs to be in your cart. Knot it with a flowy midi skirt and you've got a whole outfit. Throw a cardigan over leggings for the comfy days. Tuck it into your favorite mom jeans. Add a denim skirt for school pickup, or size up and pair it with bike shorts. 5.
So this one, very similar, but it actually had a complete different hook and different scripts, because different hooks and text can be a game-changing difference between how a video performs. So we're gonna test both of these, but we also created a 3rd video. So this one here, we took a slightly different route, and we're actually not doing any text, any voiceover. We're just keeping a very simple caption and letting the visuals speak for itself. You can go ahead and add music over this one as well, maybe a trending audio, but this is another way just to test kind of what's doing well between these 3 different variations. And seriously, I love the way these turned out. And I do think they have a lot more potential to sell a graphic design t-shirt, more so than the typical talking head videos you might notice with a lot of UGC videos. And now all you have to do is go into that Claude cowork, and you can either run this whenever you add a mockup, or you can just say, check this folder once a day, once an hour, however often you would like, and then run this scheduled task. And that's going to automatically check if you've ever uploaded any mockups to that folder and run everything in the background. You don't need to touch anything. You just need to go check that folder in, say, 30 minutes, and all of your UGC ads are going to be created and in there for you to review. As if that is not powerful enough, what you can also do is use Claude to launch a campaign on Facebook ads around these 3 ads automatically. And to do that next step, all you need to do is go to Claude. We're gonna go back to customize. We're going to add another connector again. And this time we're going to go to add custom connector again. And we are adding Facebook. And you are going to paste in this MCP server URL, which is this right here, which again, I will type in the description below, just so you don't have to type this all out, but it's mcp.facebook.com/ads. And you're going to hit add, and then you can go ahead and connect this to your Facebook. You already need to have an ads account, but once that does, now your Claude is connected to your Facebook ads and can publish ads right from Claude. And now you're gonna go back into Claude and we're going to create a new task again. And then for this task, you're gonna paste in this prompt. Check the folder finished videos on my desktop. If any have the word approved in the file name, then upload these new creatives to Facebook. Only do so if they are new creatives and have not yet been uploaded to Facebook in previous runs. That way, every single time this runs, it doesn't run every single creative that says approved in that folder. And then we're gonna say create a new meta campaign for objective conversions. You can set your budget. You can set how long you want to run it. You can set your targeting if you want to target women age 30 plus. You can do the locations you plan to target. So for this, I'm only going to be doing the USA. And then we're going to be using a broad targeting for the first test. If you want to run multiple ad sets, you can do that. You can also go ahead and in here specify your primary text, your headline text, your CTA, your URL, anything that you kind of want in here, or you can go ahead and add it afterwards right within Facebook. But we're going to go this far. And again, you can go ahead and edit this to be whatever you kind of want, whatever fits your targeting or ad need. For this step of the process, to actually upload the videos to your Facebook ad manager, it will need access to your Chrome. So you can use the Claude Chrome extension to do this. But if you don't feel comfortable giving it access to your full Chrome, then what you could do instead is you upload the videos to your Facebook ad manager, but this task will still create the campaign for you. It'll still attach the creatives to the campaign as well. So you can go either way. And as you are setting up this task here, it's going to give you all of these extra prompts, little questions like maybe what's the URL, what type of conversion point are you going for? Depends on how your manager is currently set up. But again, there might be some additional setup and questions the first time that you run this. But once it's done right within Facebook Ad Manager, again, nothing else I had to do besides that initial setup, which you'll have to do once the first time that you do everything here. But after that, everything is completely automated. But here you can see that I have created a campaign. Well, Claude has created a campaign with the targeting for me, with the conversions. It's also went ahead and created an ad set for me. You can have it create multiple different ad sets with different targeting. And then depending on which way you chose to upload the creative, whether it being automated using the Chrome extension or you've gone ahead and uploaded those yourself, your creatives will be in here as well. And I have it currently set to draft, but you can have it automatically switch to live if you would prefer, and then have this run for the 5 days. And then on top of that, you could also create another task that after 5 days of running these campaigns gives you a breakdown of which one is doing the best, which hook is doing the best, which targeting is doing the best, and giving you a breakdown at the end of every 5-day test, letting you know perhaps how to optimize, which creatives to keep using, maybe which hooks to completely stop using, so that you can go back through this entire workflow and maybe get rid of one of the creative options that we had done and replace it with a new UGC style video, or maybe to ramp up one of the existing other UGC videos that we've done. Maybe you want to run 5 different videos. The connections, the MCP connections within Claude and using ARC ads is outstanding. The power of this automation is crazy. Again, the only things that you need to do to get from a photo to a live campaign with feedback is upload a mockup, which you likely already have of your product. Then you check the results. You check those videos in say 30 minutes after you've uploaded them or after whenever you ran the next task. And then you just have to change the file name to add the word approved instead of review. And then you wait a while, and then you have a live Facebook campaign that's running. And then you wait 5 days and you get a report that gives you all of the information about which one is doing the best, which one to cut, which ones to make create more of in the future, so that every time you run this, you're gonna get better and better and better UGC ads as long as you keep refining your prompts. So for those of you who are prioritizing automation and wanting to save hours and hours and hours every week creating videos and saving so much money because you're not paying people to create UGC videos, you are creating tons within a few minutes for a fraction of the cost of what it would be to actually hire people. So if you want to get started, the link is in my description below, and you guys are gonna have so much fun using this just like me. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching.